Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Labour MP arrested on suspicion of rape and child sex offences as he's quizzed by cops. A prominent Labour MP and former minister has been arrested on suspicion of rape and child sex offences. Labour last night named Dan Norris, who's been regularly pictured alongside Sir Keir Starmer, in a statement which confirmed he had been suspended from the party. Cops arrested Norris, 65, MP for Somerset and Hanham, on Friday over claims of historic sexual attacks on a girl and a rape allegation from the 2020s. Avon and Somerset police confirmed he had also been held on suspicion of misconduct in public office. Norris, who is an NSPCC-trained child protection officer, won his seat from Tory Jacob Rees-Mogg in the July 2024 election. The MP, picture looking glum at the wheel of his car near his West Country home yesterday, had previously served as an MP for Wanstead from 1997 to 2010. He became mayor of the West of England in 2021, but cannot run again this year due to being a serving MP. After Labour swept to power last summer, Sir Keir welcomed Norris and other regional leaders to a Downing Street meeting. Norris, pictured sitting round the cabinet office table with Mr. Starmer and Deputy Leader Angela Rayner, then praised the PM for hosting the summit. He said, "The Prime Minister meeting regional mayors is a positive example of the new government hitting the ground running. I have been delivering on skills, the environment and transport for the last 4 years, and look forward to working with a Labour government with the same priorities." He met Sir Keir again last October at a Council of Nations and Regions. And after he was elected West of England mayor in 2021, Sir Keir joined Norris on a visit to the Royal Portbury Dock in Avonmouth, Bristol. The pair, both in hard hats, were pictured chatting and laughing together on the trip, which also included a visit to a South Gloucestershire and Stroud College campus. Afterwards, Sir Keir said, "Dan Norris, the newly elected West of England Metro Mayor, has a relentless focus on jobs. He'll support businesses like the Bristol Port Company. They're investing in young people through apprenticeships. Dan will put the people of the West of England at the heart of everything he does." But it is understood the Labour Party whip has been withdrawn from Norris amid the police probe. A senior source said, "This has sent shockwaves around the party, and everyone, particularly those who know Dan, are stunned. But the party has acted very quickly in suspending him, and they have to be extremely robust on these issues." A Labour Party spokesman said, "Dan Norris MP was immediately suspended by the Labour Party upon being informed of his arrest. We cannot comment further while the police investigation is ongoing." Norris was arrested and interviewed at a police station near his constituency home before being bylaid. Avon and Somerset police confirmed detectives were carrying out a sensitive investigation after the case was referred by a different force. The claims against the girl are said to have taken place in the 2000s, with a more recent allegation of rape. Norris, a campaigner against bullying and blood sports, will be barred from the parliamentary estate at Westminster after rules around politicians under investigation were tightened last year. Unmarried Norris, who lives in northeast Somerset, is the chairman of the League Against Cruel Sports and campaigns on issues including hunting, pollution, and school breakfast clubs. He regularly posts pictures of himself and his pet Labrador, Angel, on social media, and in February supported National Love Your Pets Day. He has served as the Parliamentary Under-Secretary of State for Rural Affairs and the Environment and as a Labour whip. His official website highlights his commitment to the West Country and issues he campaigns on. It says, his deep local roots mean he knows the West of England is a unique and wholly special place. Dan previously worked across the area as an NSPCC-trained child protection officer and local member of Parliament, as well as running his own businesses. Dan's home is in northeast Somerset. He has previously lived in St. Paul's, Hartcliffe, Knowle, Whitchurch, Winterbourne, Colpett Heath, and Bath. In a statement, Avon and Somerset police said, In December 2024, we received a referral from another police force relating to alleged non-recent child sex offenses having been committed against a girl. Most of the offenses are alleged to have occurred in the 2000s, but we're also investigating an alleged offense of rape from the 2020s. An investigation, led by officers within Operation Bluestone, our dedicated rape and serious sexual assault investigation team, remains ongoing and at an early stage. The victim is being supported and given access to any specialist help or support she needs. A man, aged in his 60s, was arrested on Friday, April 4, on suspicion of sexual offenses against a girl, under the Sexual Offences Act 1956, rape under the Sexual Offences Act 2003, and misconduct in a public office. He's been released on conditional bail for inquiries to continue. This is an active and sensitive investigation, so we'd respectfully ask people not to speculate on the circumstances so our inquiries can continue unhindered. The Sun on Sunday approached Mr. Norris for comment,